Howdy kids! Check out this cool LED rechargeable under-cabinet light. I bought this lamp online to better illuminate my unboxing videos. This light is supposed to offer long battery life, easy installation, adjustable color and illumination angle. Inside the box, we get the neatly packed lamp, some papers and stickers, this small magnetic base, USB charging cable, and this little instruction manual. It's nice to see Type-C cable and not some old micro USB. The cable is also sufficiently long. The magnetic base is small and the adhesive is good enough to hold the lamp well in place. The lamp is smaller than I expected, but it looks like it's generally well built. The light is bright, the battery does last long enough between charges for my needs, and it's indeed very easy to install and adjust the light angle. This lamp has 3 levels of color temperature and illumination, which is nice and well. So what I did not like about this lamp? The buttons. These buttons are hard to see or feel, and also, there are too many of them. Since there are only 3 levels of adjustment, they could have just made one button for brightness and one for color, instead of these silly plus and minus buttons. I often press the button accidentally when I remove the lamp from its stand. But overall, it's a useful product and it does what it's supposed to do well. Keep it real, folks.